Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. Now I got the Civivi Conspirator here. And T8's lefty friendly. Clip. It's like a Sencut clip. This is Civivi. Anyway, I think they're the same. But this is a very, very good knife. Slicer. I think I sharpened it. Well, tried to. And sharpen this one. Really have nothing else to cut with. Like, literally, I need to go find another U-line or something. But in any case, it's not contour, but it's heavily, knocked down. It's good. Weight relieving. Button lock. Doesn't fail on the top. But it stays rock solid. It's got great acoustics. You come right off that fuller. Flip the tab. Whip it open. Finger flick. Yeah. It's a nice edge to it. Well, I mean, I'm getting a little better at my... Like, this one was free-handed, and I could feel it too. This is a working, good edge. For work. But it's not going to cut through paper towel or, crazy. This is my... See, it's got slick in there, but anyways. I don't even know what that is. So, yeah, got some work to do on the freehand, but I'll take a stop to it later. It's slick, but here and there it has its sharpness. Just gotta work on my freehand, but this Conspirator is an old throwback, still worth every penny to go out and get. They're still available. You can get these. And it's a great ergonomics, the geometry with it comes to a great blade shape, great thickness all the way down to the tip, and then there's this nice drop point, and then you have this in hand. Pinch grips. The Savior Slurpee, our gas station hold. Saber, hammer. Man. This thing feels good in the hand. It's just thick enough. It's just knocked down enough. That micarta feels great. T8, except for the pocket clip. Yeah, can't go wrong with this. It's like some sort of stone wash or something of that nature. It's not a bead, but I don't think so. I'm not sure. You can see that this thing's been through some boxes. Doesn't mark up as much as, or it marked the stone wash. This is how I know it doesn't have that like finish, because you are going to get marks from your usage. But it's okay, it's good, it's supposed to. But there's a lot of knives with that like stone washes on, or a way that not all scratches need to come up. Try to work those out, polish those out when I can. But that's going to do it for the Civivi Conspirator. That's for Spider G. If you found this interesting, please like, sub, comment, share. I will see you on the next one. Have fun, stay safe. Bye-bye.